In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account in the UAE. Follow along to make sure your funds move securely and smoothly. Let's get started. First, open paypal.com and sign in to your account using your email and password. Next, click on Add Card or Bank to get started linking your account. Then choose Link a Bank Account from the options provided. Just fill in your UAE bank details carefully and click Link Your Bank to save it. Now go to the Home section and click Transfer Funds to begin the process. Choose the bank account you added earlier, then click Next to continue. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, select the purpose, and after reviewing all the details, click Transfer to complete it. And that's how you transfer money from PayPal to a UAE bank. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides like this. See you next time!